It's range day, guys. We are out here in Okeechobee with Bass Target Supply to run some drills and get some training and just have a fun range day with all of their targets. So if you see any target that you like, hit up Bass Target Supply. They are the ones that are supplying all these awesome targets and bringing the fun today. To all my northern viewers, it is February 21st and it's hot. It's a hot Florida day. So there, take that, northern people.
Are you ready? 222.
222.
We're
Avoid
doing
the red?
22422.
Yeah, so everybody
Okay.
gets 4 at the end. So 4, 8, 12.
Right. That's not El Presidente.
Well, that's LJ.
Interesting.
I don't know what El Presidente is.
El Presidente is 222.
That's it?
Yeah. The newer drill that you see people running now, they're the ones doing the 22422, which is whichever one we're doing.
I will just do 2 first. Just to be easy.
Let's start off with 2, see if we can fucking hit anything.
There you go. All right. Oh, okay. Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Three, 2, 7. Alpha Charlie, Alpha Charlie, Alpha Alpha. Shooter, are you ready?
Oh,
3,
running
2,
back?
7 is the time to beat.
Okay.
We'll run everything just twice.
Let me go opposite direction.
Huh?
Opposite direction.
Your call. Totally your call.
Okay.
3, 2, 7 is the time to beat. Stand by. Two, 4, 2, 5, 2. You got
Stand by.
Yeah, the pin back there?
I think it was that big.
Way back there. Swing it.
Ooh, that trigger. 483.
Let's go.
I felt my teeth fight.
and you're good. You're good. Now get that from there. Get to the barrel where when you get to the barrel, get to it to where the plate or the dueling tree is blind. Once you get there, step out on one side, hit a color, whatever color it shows you, come back to the other side, hit that on the plate rack, and then just keep doing that until all are done. Yep. Swing back, knock out that color. Knock out that color.
Where am I going first?
Because I was first last time. I'm gonna drop one. You're saying blind here?
Blind here to blind there to the I mean.
You ready there, Quick Draw McGraw? Shooter's ready. Stand by.
Ah! What the?
Oh no!
What the?
happens when you get weak
I
shots.
don't know what happened right there.
Weak
What?
shots. Weak.
42:53, still the fastest time.
Jesus.
Are you shooting like 110 grain or something? Jeez.
There's your problem. You're right there on the
I'm hitting the inside.
Consistently too. Yeah, these two back to back
here.
on the inside.
I've never seen a 22. Y'all didn't know a 22 can turn these plates up.
If that's the case, John's gonna be pissed at his QC. There you go, cleans it up. 35-43.
45-43.
Much more accurate. Only 21 shots.
Boy, I'm swinging. I'm hitting this suckers on the inside. Yep. And I see it when I hit it. I'm just thinking, or I'm hoping that it'll have enough to swing. But I saw where the hits were hitting. Now I'm just getting good steals.
You're just somebody that doesn't have a toy like this.
That's it. I'm
What
looking
am I
at.
supposed to do with this in the middle of my
Oh.
backswing?
That was clutch right there, boy. That was sexy. Stand by.
Gotta wait for it. Let's go. Nice.
Come on.
There you go. 43-35. Not a good time. Good time with all that.
Yeah, thank you.
Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.
All right, here we go. Last run of the day. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
I heard that.
Mm-hmm.
Brew to freak all. Wow. It's rough in these streets.